Okay, so right now, we're getting put in the water at West Point. We're gonna go over to my buddy Cole's. The water is kind of nasty. Kind of looks like chocolate milk. There's one.
Bro?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, he came off. Okay, so we got ourselves, I caught the first fish. Oh, he's not in that corner anymore. Where'd he go? Here he is. It's a little spot. He's still in the legal limit though. Pretty one, but it's about a 1 pounder. But we're gonna keep fishing. I just caught him right off this point right here. It's the first one of the day that I actually landed, so that's good. But we got Cole out here too, so that's good.
Hey guys.
And then they play these really cringy videos. Yeah, but you still have to like click through everything. Did you just break off?
No.
Oh. Oh, you got hung in the same place I did.
Fish?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it's a good one.
There you go. Where's the net at? Where's the net at? Where's the net? I'll get you.
Oh my God, that's a good one. Yeah. Come here.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Come here. Net him, net him, net him, net him.
Oh God.
Oh.
Bring him over here.
Okay. I foul hooked him. That's why I felt big.
Yeah. He's still alright.
Yeah, he's.
On the net.
I got him.
You got it?
Thank you.
Yep.
Ah!
There you go.
Another spot. Get in there. Okay. So we're at 3 pounds.
You got him like that. Here,
Nah.
here, you want me to thumb him?
Nah, I got him.
There you go.
Come here.
You're terrible at this.
Yeah, I am.
He's literally been trying for 15
There we
minutes.
go.
Ah, there you go. Lift up the...
The absolute hogs.
Oh yeah, there you go.
There's my two
Hold on,
fish
let's-
up here. Thanks.
Oh yeah.
There's one. Real slow swim. And here's the other one. That one's ready. Get out of there.
There you go.
There.
Not
So
today.
that's the 2 fish from today.